The power provided by the V8 engines, the luxurious interior, and the roomy cabin are favorites of 2010 Sierra 15.0 owners. Additionally, they appreciate the quiet interior, comfortable ride, and higher level of luxury it offers compared to other trucks. But there are some drawbacks, like the weak base V6 engine, wider turning circle than other trucks, and plain dash design. But what about the 2010 Sierra 15.0 reliability and problems? Let's find out. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Oil consumption. Excessive oil consumption is the most common problem at around 70,000 miles. Due to issues with the PCV system and low-tension piston rings, GM's 5.3 liters Vortec engine burns through oil. Carbon accumulation from the excessive oil burn has a negative effect on the ignition and emissions systems. Numerous lawsuits demand that GMC fix the issue once and for all, but so far, only band-aid fixes like decarbonizing the combustion chamber have been presented. Cracked dashboard. Another frequent problem in the first 80,000 miles is cracked dashboards. Some owners replace the entire dash for over $1,000, while others install a dash cover for under $100. Defrosting system problems. Some trucks experience defrosting system failures at about 95,000 miles. The only fix is to replace the rear window, which costs about $750 if the rear defroster wiring is broken in the glass. The 2010 Sierra 15.0 series is subject to 5 minor recalls, including one for the optional fire extinguisher and airbags. Although the Sierra has a luxurious interior, owner satisfaction ratings are below average, according to Consumer Reports. Edmunds gives the Sierra a 4.4 out of 5, liking the quiet cabin, but disliking the lack of interior storage. Users of Kelley Blue Book give the Sierra 4.6 out of 5 and like its towing capacity but dislike its poor fuel efficiency. Reliability. Similar to other half-ton trucks like the Ford F-150, a properly maintained 2010 Sierra 15.0 should be able to travel over 250,000 miles. According to Repair Pal, the average annual maintenance costs for a truck are $619. Most used 2010 Sierras on the market will have more than 100,000 miles on them, so buyers should be ready to spend $300 on spark plug replacements, $200 on purge valve replacements, and $200 on serpentine belt replacements.